Affiliate marketing can be achieved with this advice. Many businesses try different strategies to increase their chances of gaining more profit. Some use search engine optimization, while others use network marketing. One strategy that businesses try is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing has many great qualities, as it increases customers and profits. If you would like tips on using affiliate marketing, then watch this video. Do something every day to further your internet affiliate marketing business, even if it is something small. This incremental approach will move your business forward while keeping you from getting burned out or discouraged. Soon, your business will start to pay off without it seeming like a lot of work. If you find the website of the product owners not very well done, you can easily find affiliate link cloaker tools. These programs allow you to link any page from the company's website. Link your audience directly to the page where they can buy the product if your own website provides enough content. Affiliate marketing entails many tasks, some hard and some easy. You should always tackle the hardest and longest tasks first if you want to be productive. By doing this, you will be able to coast through the easier tasks, ending your workday on a good, strong note. Plus, handling the tougher tasks first allows you to get more of them done per day. Separate your task list so that you do not become confused or bogged down while working as an affiliate. Personal matters can sometimes get in the way of affiliate marketing, especially if you allow them to bleed over into your work. Make sure you're doing your best to keep these two worlds from colliding. Check the conversion rate of the affiliate company you are considering working with. Look for a site that has at least 1% conversion ratio, meaning 1 out of every 100 visitors make a purchase. Check the sales copy of the site and see if it makes you want to purchase. Only link to affiliate sites with products that you believe in. If you link to sites that do not sell quality products, you may break the trust of your readers, which will lose you the people that you rely on to keep your site up and running successfully. Readers will know an affiliate link when they see one, so use your best judgment when placing them. The key to being a successful affiliate marketer is to generate a lot of traffic to your website. There is no other strategy that works as well. If 1% of your web traffic clicks on an affiliate link, you need a lot of traffic to make money, so more traffic equals more money. When joining an affiliate marketing program, remember that you need significant traffic to your site or blog to see any income from your affiliate links. Do not expect to create a blog, slap on some affiliate links, and start earning. Build up your quality content and readership first, then you will be able to make money using affiliate marketing. As stated before, businesses try different strategies to gain profit. One of the strategies that businesses use is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing increases customers, which increases profits, while also advertising the product. Using the tips from this video, you can use affiliate marketing to drive your business to great success. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and Yelp ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.